The U-Bloom Trend Analysis is brought to you by Design Master Color Tool, Esprit Miami, the Garcia Group, and Reliant Ribbon.
Welcome to the U-Bloom Trend Analysis on Fun with Flowers and Jay. I'm Jay Schwanke. Instead of forecasting trends of the future that might be relevant, we'll explore how trends overlap, how colors combine into palettes, and how color and trend are a part of our everyday lives. The U-Bloom Trend Analysis keeps you at the forefront of what's happening now and shows you how flowers easily incorporate into any trend. I'll be guiding you through 4 concepts that relate flowers to classic, current, and emerging trends that are important today and will continue this year and next. Welcome to Fun with Flowers and Jay. Today, on Fun with Flowers and Jay, we're creating a collection of aromatic arrangements for the Fragrant Garden Concept for the U-Bloom Trend Analysis. So let's create a collection of arrangements for the Fragrant Garden Concept. We'll be using galvanized buckets from Garcia Group today. I've got the cylinder in G3 and another vase in G3 that fits inside these 2 vases. Over here, I've got a Dakota Plastics bucket that will fit down inside this one. I've added rocks to the bottom so that we have plenty of weight inside. Because our bucket doesn't go all the way to the bottom, I want to have more stable weight down there. Placing the liners inside the bucket prevents any damage to the bucket or damage to the flowers. Floral nutrient can sometimes react to the bucket itself, and it isn't good for the bucket or the flowers. We'll drop our vases down inside. In all 3 cases, it's a perfect fit. I love this one because the handles are up above, and that fits in there so tightly that it would be difficult to get out. So we'll conceal those handles with foliage so you won't notice that they're there. But it's a great opportunity to have those when we go to remove the buckets. The concept of Fragrant Garden talks about collections, and we have a collection of containers today as well as a collection of flowers. One of the things that we look for here are flowers that are reminiscent of the garden. They can also be reminiscent of a conservatory or someone who had plantings. It's a way for us to think about flowers in a garden aspect that's very comfortable. We'll be grouping our bunches together and paying extra special attention to the ones that have fragrance. Some of the flowers that we have today are naturally garden in shape and style, but some of them have unique fragrance. Scent is one of the things that brings back memories for us. And having that pleasant aroma makes Fragrant Garden one of our popular concepts in trends moving forward. So let's add some flowers that are fragrant and garden style to our beautiful buckets. Got some beautiful rose lilies from Green Valley. Those will finish this off perfectly. It's about the fragrance and it's about the opulent garden look. I love the rose lilies, how they open up and look like a composite flower. The fragrance of the marigolds, the David Austin roses, even yarrow has that wonderful herbal type smell. And herbs would be a great addition to Fragrant Garden. We have our collection of buckets together. You'll notice that some of the flowers aren't necessarily fragrant, but they've got a great garden appeal. The clematis, maidenhair fern, butterfly bush, all of those different types of flowers evoke a garden feel for us. And having the collection of buckets together also plays nicely in with this concept for trends. Fragrant Garden, part of the U Bloom trend analysis. Until next time, keep having fun with flowers.